Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 1999 Dorsey 48 by 102. This is set up to carry a Moffett mount piggyback style forklift. As you can see, this unit has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As we come down the passenger side here, this unit does have an aluminum toolbox. It's in excellent condition. We get back to the back here and you can see we have 225 steel rims, refurbed, excellent tire condition, matching tires all the way around this unit at a good 70 to 80%. All the brakes and drums have been gone through, verified that they are 70 to 80% or better. This is a spring ride sliding tandem that is in excellent condition. As we get to the back here, you can see the Moffett mounting kit on the back end. Lights, everything working, DOT inspected, ready to come back to work for you. I rotate around here. You can see a Load Mac forklift. This is a 225. We have hundreds of Moffetts, Princetons available in stock for you. Take a look at 99lifts.com. You can see our current inventory live today. As you can see, this is a sliding tandem that is in excellent condition. Matching tires all the way around. Excellent condition on the tires. All of our units do come with brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, prepared and ready to come work for you. Landing gear has been checked on this unit and everything is working and in great shape. This aluminum combo is available for sale. We have several of them available. This unit does have a brand new ABS brain box ready to come work for you. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Our website is 99lifts.com.